Hey guys, back here today working on the chipper. I just wanted to shoot a short video about soldering guns, because here I got my soldering gun, I got my solder, and it drives me insane when I'm waiting forever for my soldering gun to heat up so I can solder one connection. So here's a little trick I do to make it go a lot quicker. I take my propane torch, I fire it up. You probably can't see the flame on that video. And then I heat up the tip of my soldering gun right away. Keep it there for 10, 20 seconds. And then that sucker is ready to solder right now. Cool. So hopefully that saves some of you guys some time out there. We'll catch you on the next one.